Hello and welcome back to another video on ways you could make money online. Today we're going to talk about my favorite rewards program for earning free gift cards. So make sure you stay tuned all the way till the end and watch the entire video because we're going to talk about SwagBucks. SwagBucks is the way to make money online. It's the way to earn points. It's the way to buy gift cards online for very cheap and make a lot of money doing things you would regularly do online. So let's take a look over here. Let's dive in. First off, I want to start by saying that it is my favorite webpage for rewards and gift cards because it has a lot of features. It has a lot of ways for you to make points. It has a lot of ways for you to earn gift cards. It has a lot of ways for you to make money basically. So if you want to find a webpage that is trustworthy, that will help you earn points and get free gift cards, then you found the page that you are looking for. So basically you can earn money through shopping online, watching entertaining videos, search the web, answering surveys, and find great deals. And then you'll earn points, and then you take those points and you spend them on which are SwagBucks. You spend them on gift cards, and then you use those gift cards in the real world, right? So let's go to About Us. So here in the About Us section, it says that SwagBucks is the web's most popular program that gives you free gift cards and cash for everyday things you already do online. Isn't that awesome? So things you're already doing, you could be making money doing them. So earn points when you shop at your favorite retailers, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. SwagBucks has already paid out over $433,460,898 in cash and free gift cards. So they've already paid a lot of money. Why wouldn't you be one of the people who's getting benefited by these things if you're already doing them online, right? So let's take a look at how it works. Basically, you join SwagBucks, right? You first of all, you have to join it, and then they reward their members with free gift cards and cash for everyday things they already do online. They earn points, shop online, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn points. And then they get free gift cards when they redeem the points for the free gift cards, right? So let's say I want to buy, I don't know, a blender online. If I look at SwagBucks and they have an opportunity where I could buy the blender and make some money back or make some cash back through buying it through a certain web page or something like that, why wouldn't I do it? Why wouldn't I get that cash back? Why wouldn't I get those extra points and make money back on things that I was already gonna buy? So you could shop online, cashback shopping over 1,500 retailers including Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Starbucks. Earn SwagBucks points for every dollar you spend, plus get access to exclusive deals and coupons to your favorite retailers. You can answer surveys, you can share your opinion and get free gift cards. You can watch videos, you can watch entertaining videos and get free gift cards and earn SwagBucks and then trade them up. You can discover offers. You can get free gift cards when you check out exclusive deals and offers from well-known brands. So you just check out the offer and you start making money just by checking the offer. You can make money through searching the web. You can earn swag points just by doing searches. They have mobile apps, they have games. You can earn SwagBucks by free card for playing games, right? And downloading apps. So there is plenty of ways for you to make money here. It's all about just sitting down and actually doing it. And if we look over here, let's look at their cashback. Page, right? So we see here they have some huge retailers. They have Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, CVS, Sam's Club, Macy's, Kohl's, Disney. So about anything you could buy, you could get cash back from. And then if we go to the gift cards over here, they have Amazon and PayPal. You can basically buy anything through Amazon and PayPal. So if you want to make money and you're worried because you're gonna earn SwagBucks and then you're gonna exchange them for money, you can see right here that these SwagBucks are worth it, right? They are worth the time because the gift cards, the prices, the rewards are real. They're right here, and you could earn a lot. It says right here, PayPal 25, PayPal 50, PayPal 100, PayPal 250, right? So you could exchange 25,000 swag bucks for $250, and then use those $250 to generate more swag bucks if you're shopping online. Or you can make money through the surveys, money through the videos, any way you want. The bottom line is that you will be making money, which is a great thing about SwagBucks. So make sure you join the webpage, make sure you sign up. If you want, we have a link down in the bio. You can click on that, go to the webpage, and then sign up through there. It's very easy. We'll make it easy and simple for you. You just go down to our bio, click on that link, go to SwagBucks, sign up, and start making money. We want to thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that this was helpful for you. If you've made money through SwagBucks before, please let us know down in the comments. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to keep learning new ways to make money online, please subscribe to our channel. Remember that we are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So if you want to learn new ways to make money online, if you like our channel, please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and you'll be one of the first ones to know next time we have an awesome new video on how to make money online. So take care. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later.